Today, we're diving into Comet Browser, a new player in the web browsing space that claims to leverage AI for a smarter browsing experience. But does it really deliver, or is it just another browser trying to catch your attention? Let's find out. Comet Browser aims to enhance your web surfing by integrating AI-driven features that promise to make browsing more intuitive. Right off the bat, the interface feels sleek and modern, which is a plus for anyone tired of outdated designs. The browser supports extensions so you can customize your experience, but it also comes with built-in tools like a smart search that tries to predict what you want to find next. This could be a game changer for efficiency, especially if you often find yourself jumping between tabs. However, while the AI features sound impressive, they can sometimes feel a bit gimmicky. For example, the predictive search works well in some cases, but in others, it doesn't quite hit the mark, leaving you to sift through irrelevant results. The overall user experience is decent, but there are moments where it feels like the browser is trying too hard to be clever rather than just functional. Let's break down some of the pros and cons. On the positive side, Comet Browser's interface is visually appealing and user-friendly, making it accessible for newcomers. The AI features can enhance productivity for those who find value in smart suggestions. However, there are some drawbacks. First, the predictive search can be hit or miss, which may frustrate users who expect accuracy. Additionally, there's a lack of transparency regarding data privacy and how user information is handled. This is a crucial concern for many users today. Lastly, if you're someone who relies heavily on specific extensions, you might find the selection a bit limited compared to more established browsers. Comet Browser seems best suited for casual users who enjoy trying new tech, but may not be the best fit for privacy-conscious individuals or heavy users of extensions. In conclusion, Comet Browser offers a fresh take on web browsing, especially for those curious about AI-enhanced features. However, if you prioritize privacy or depend on a wide range of extensions, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth a try if you're looking for something new, but proceed with caution regarding your data.